WhatsApp call not ringing when iPhone is locked. First of all, you have to be sure that WhatsApp use internet connection. So without strong internet connection, your WhatsApp call might not ring out even when your phone is locked or not. So you have to be sure that you have access to strong network connection. First, refresh your network connection by tapping on the airplane mode and turn it off within 5 to 15 seconds. Then be sure that your phone is not on disturb mode. If it's on do not disturb, make sure you select a mode that is active so that you'll be able to receive call using your WhatsApp. Now that I've known these settings, there are some things you need to put in place, which is the major one, guys, you need to check out. The first thing is to be sure that you enable WhatsApp notification on your device. Then this is very simple. Tap on settings icon. Then from here, locate and tap on notification on your device. Now scroll up until you have access to this button that says show preview. Tap on it and make sure that it's on always, not never or block. So make sure you tap on it and always. Now tap back again. Then from here, scroll down to where you get WhatsApp installed on your device. So once you access WhatsApp, tap on WhatsApp. Now if this button is toggle off, this notification button, make sure you turn it on your device. Then make sure that this button is enable lock screen. Make sure that you turn that button on as well. Then this one is on notification center banner, and make sure that sound is also turned on. Now that I've turned on this, then make sure that you tap on preview and be sure that it is under default, not never or when unlocked. Make it under default. Now that I do this and you still not get notification, then tap on WhatsApp notification settings. Tap on this button. Doing this will take you to WhatsApp your WhatsApp account on your device. Make sure that you check all these and you turn it on. One, show notification, turn it on. Then reaction notification, turn it on. If you will, then show notification that is on group and others. So make sure that all these are enabled and turn it on. Then once you've done this and you are still not get call when your iPhone is locked, then tap on reset notification setting and reset these settings. Once you do this, this might be able to fix this information or this problem on your iPhone. And if this does not fix the problem on your iPhone, then there's another setting you need to engage on. Go ahead and tap on setting on your iPhone. So tap on setting on your iPhone, go ahead and tap on general. From here, tap on background refreshment or background refresh, app refresh. Tap on it. Now that I've done that, make sure that you tap on background app refresh. If it is off, make sure you tap on Wi-Fi or on cellular. So tap on Wi-Fi because I use Wi-Fi right away. Now tap back, then scroll down to the base until you get access to the WhatsApp button. If this button is off, make sure you tap on it and toggle it on. Make sure it is on. Now if you do this, you should be able to receive call when you try to call on your WhatsApp call. And if it does not fix this issue, then go ahead and take another step. The next step is to be sure that your WhatsApp app is up to date on your device. Go to the app store on your device and tap on it. Then the search bar here, tap on WhatsApp. Then make sure WhatsApp is is up to date. If you have any update on WhatsApp, tap on it and update the WhatsApp app on your device. So this will likely fix that issue. The last but not least option here, if you are still facing this problem, probably your iOS is not running on the latest version. To do that is very simple. Tap on settings icon again on device, come over to this place until you get to general. From the main button here, tap on general, then tap on software update, then wait a few seconds for this page to load up. If you have any update here, guys, go ahead and tap on it and install the latest version or the latest update on your iOS. This will probably fix the issue of your WhatsApp call not ringing on your iPhone when it's locked. So guys, this is the simple process on how to fix this issue. If you enjoyed this tip, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Don't forget to share this for others to enjoy, and I want to hear your comment in the comment section.